All right, now we're doing 8Q Grasshopper Debug. This is by Dan Levito, and 84% of the people like it. Our friend is traveling abroad to the United States, and he wrote a program to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Unfortunately, his code has some bugs. Find the error in the code to get the Celsius converter working properly. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, here's the formula. Remember that typically temperatures in the current weather conditions are given in whole numbers. It is possible for the temperature sensors to report temperatures with higher accuracy, such as to the nearest tenth. Instrument errors, though, make this sort of accuracy unreliable for many types of temperature measuring sensors. Okay. Anyway, we're not going to do any of that. I'm not fixing no bugs. We can come up with something even easier and better in the time it'll take us to look. And by doing that, we're going to use template literals. And the template literals are literals delimited with backtick characters, allowing for multi-line strings for string interpolation with embedded expressions and for special constructs called tag templates. All right. So basically, you put up these backticks right here, and then you put in some text, and then you put in this embedded expression right here, and then some more text. I'll show you what we're going to do. So basically, get rid of all this. Let's set this up how we like to set things up. And just get rid of all this junk. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the backtick, which is to the left of the 1 and right above the tab key. And then we're going to start off with an embedded expression to begin with, all right here. And then we're going to say, because we need it to be this, we need it to say this, we're going to say is. And then we're going to push space and do another embedded expression. Oops, that's not it. And then we're going to say freezing temperature. Make sure there's no space in between this embedded expression and freezing temperature. We'll show you why. I'll show you why in a little bit. Right. So first off, we're going to do something real wild. And we're going to define C right here and say C equals. And we're going to take this. We're going to drop it right in here. We're going to change Fahrenheit into temp. And I don't like these. And I want spaces in between here. Awesome. So first, it's going to do this, and then we're going to say over here, first let me tell you about what we're going to do here. We're going to use the conditional or ternary operator, and the ternary operator is the only JavaScript operator that takes 3 operands. A condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. This operator is frequently used as an alternative to an if-else statement, all right? So right here's the syntax: condition, question mark, expression if true, colon, expression if false, all right? So here we go. C, if C is above 0, question mark, we're going to say above space. And if not, we're just going to have the space in between characters right there, all right? So basically, let's just say that this equals like 10, or 10, why not? So it's going to say 10 is, and then since it's above 0, above freezing temperature. And it'll say if it's 5 right here, it'll say negative 5, if it's negative 5. Negative 5 is freezing temperature. There we go. Let's see if it works. Cross your fingers. And it did work. Excellent. Attempt it. Perfect. Submit it. All right. Let's see. I very like it. Let's see my solutions. Just me. Best practice in my opinion. And we'll see you next time.